It's my blanket! No! I was using it! Give it back! Never!
Hey, what's going on?
Kids, please don't fight. But it's mine!
Stop, both of you.
She won't share. He started it!
No sharing means no blanket.
That's not fair. Now we're both bored. Maybe this blanket is magical.
Magical?
Really? Close your eyes. I can't wait. Let's see the magic. I love this rainbow blanket. Me too, it's so pretty. Like you. Hug? Yes. Best friends. It's a flying carpet. Let's ride. Hold on tight.
Ready for a little magic?
Yes, it's so sparkly. It's lifting us up. Hold on tight, my loves.
Let's see the world together.
Wow, look! Look at the rainbow. It's beautiful. Let's fly closer. A castle. Can we go there? Wow, it's beautiful.
Let's go inside. Stay together.
Everything is shining. I love this place. Magic is everywhere. Hello, travelers. A baby dragon. Can we be friends? Follow me. Lead the way. This is exciting. Look at all the toys. Amazing. Choose wisely. It's flying by itself. Catch it.
Careful.
It's real. Let's fly.
Have fun!
Look down. Everything is tiny.
What a view!
They're so pretty. Hello, birds. They're welcoming us. Where are we going? That island looks magical.
Let's explore it together.
This place is magical. Let's explore.
Stay close. Look at these giant mushrooms.
They're glowing. This forest is full of wonders. Hello, travelers. A talking rabbit. Can we follow you? Of course. Follow me. This way. The river is beautiful. Look at the fish. it.
Be careful.
It's okay now, little one. You're safe now. We did it! Thank you. You're safe now. We did it! Thank you.
Chirp, thank you.
They're giving us gifts. So pretty. Kindness always comes back. Our blanket changed again. It's a pirate ship.
All aboard.
Wow, look at the sails. Ahoy! Look at the dolphins. What a beautiful ocean.
It's magical.
Best adventure ever! A treasure island! Let's find the treasure! Our next adventure starts now. We made it! Let's find the treasure!
Stay together.
Which way?
Follow the map.
You're doing great. How do we cross? It looks broken. We'll solve it together. The blanket saved us.
It's amazing.
Let's keep going.
There's the treasure.
We found it.
Open it carefully. No gold?
It's magic. The best treasure is imagination.
Now it's a balloon.
Let's fly again. Everyone aboard. Everything looks tiny. I can see the whole island.
What a beautiful view.
A storm. Hold on.
Stay calm.
It's getting stronger.
We'll be okay.
The storm is gone.
What's that glowing portal?
Our next adventure is waiting. We're traveling through time. This is incredible.
Hold on tight.
A dinosaur. He's friendly. Say hello. Hello, friends.
You're so cute.
Can we play together? The volcano.
We have to help.
Everyone move! We're safe. Thank you. Teamwork saves the day. Wow, the future! Look at the robots!
Amazing.
Welcome, friends! Thank you! This place is awesome! blanket is changing. It's taking us home.
Let's go.
We're home! That was the best adventure ever! Every adventure begins with imagination. From now on, we'll always share. The magic was inside us all along,
Family makes every adventure special.
and imagination makes it unforgettable. From now on, we'll always share. The magic was inside us all along,
Family makes every adventure special.
and imagination makes it unforgettable.